Hi class, Miss Smart here again. It is April the 15th, 8:30 p.m. I have been grading papers all day, so I'm a little bit tired, but I just wanted to touch base with you because I have been getting some emails and there seems to be still some confusion about the synthesis essay, so I just wanted to touch base and make sure that you're reading your textbook, because this gives you a very specific guide on how to write synthesis essays, and it also gives you student examples. Okay, so right here, remember in my last video where I said it is essential that you read chapters 4 and 5 of your textbook so that you can understand how to write explanatory synthesis, and chapter 5 is argumentative synthesis. Okay, so here in chapter 4, this is a roadmap for writing a synthesis essay. Okay, I want you to look on page 120 because I've been asked for student examples, and if you will look on page 120, you will see a model explanatory synthesis. This essay is called The Idea of Money. Okay, so this is a good thing for you to read. It's essential for you to read, actually, if you want to see how it's done well. But the one thing that's interesting about this essay is that you actually get to see it. If you'll turn on page 117, you'll get to see it in its first draft. See this right here? Explanatory synthesis, first draft. The Idea of Money. Okay, and what's interesting about this essay and this textbook is that right here you see the instructor's comments about how to make this first draft a stronger draft for this person's final draft of their explanatory synthesis. This is on page 117. Okay, you need to read this. Then when you're done reading the first draft, flip over to page 120 where this student took his instructor's advice and then wrote his final draft of the Idea of Money essay. Okay, now turn with me on page 142 for the argument synthesis. And this book, chapter 5, talks about incorporating ethos, pathos, and logos into your writing. If you'll look on page 142, you will see a model for an argument synthesis, which these are the papers that you're working on right now. Okay? I've also posted a lot of resources for you on pause that I had hoped that you would check out, the videos and the resources, the tutorials that I put on pause for you to help you be successful in this essay. Okay, guys, I will give you an easy 100 right now. I just need to be sure that you guys are actually taking advantage of the resources that I post on pause for you to help you structure the synthesis essay in your final research paper. After you watch this video, which is just going to be less than 5 minutes, so I have 1 minute left. After you watch this video, I want you to send me an email with the last thing that I say in this video. Okay, but remember sometime back in my last video, I said if you are not reading your textbook, especially chapters 4 and 5, I don't know how you're going to be successful writing this essay. Now, I've extended the due date for the synthesis essay from Friday the 17th to Sunday the 19th, okay, to give you guys the weekend to be working on your papers. You need to be in the materials in pause. You need to be in your textbook studying how to construct this paper, okay? I need you to help me help you, okay? You need to do your part. I'm answering emails calling students when I need to. I'm trying to give you all the resources that you need, but if you're not in those resources and you're not studying on your own how to write this essay, I don't know how I can help you, okay? So I need you to watch this video, to read these student examples in your textbook. And guys, I will even do this for you. If you do not have your textbook, number one, that was a mistake because this is a required book for this class. But swallow your pride and send me an email and let me know I don't have my textbook, Miss Smart, and I will scan chapter 4 and 5 and post it on pause for you if I receive an email that you need this resource. So email me if you don't have this textbook and I will scan those pages and upload them to pause so that you can read them. Okay? Now, just so that I can know that you're watching the videos and looking at the resources on pause, I want you to send, this will be an easy 100 for you. I want you to send me an email quoting what I'm about to say, and it will be a 100 for you, an extra grade of a 100 if you can email me the last thing that I'm going to say in this video. Help me help you. Do your part. Okay? Let me know if you have any questions or concerns. Email me. Hang in there, guys. Just a couple weeks left in this semester. Help me help you. Do your part.